Hi everybody, this is the tower garden that I've made here. This is a 3D printed modular garden. They are fully expandable. The one that I'm selling right now currently is a 2 tower pieces, so holds 6 pods. Each piece has a pod or holder for 3. These are all interlocking module pieces, and with each pod that you get, you'll get 6 of these in total. Each one will hold your seeds and for your pods. You can use with these, and this is a lot of questions that I've had lately, Aero Garden pods. They fit perfectly inside, hold inside, not to worry about them falling out. And then with the Aero Gardens as well, they come with this little plastic dome cover to make like a greenhouse effect, which also fits inside the pod. These little guys will go inside your stackable module and interlock into place, so they're not going to come out, they'll stay put. These guys are fully expandable, so if you do want to have more than 6 pods, this is a 9 pod tower, you can add more pieces. These pieces are fully 3D printed, insert into the bottom half, and then twist and lock into place. So now it's not going to come apart. The system itself is a very easy system. It uses a fountain pump. At the bottom of your tank, you use a liquid fertilizer of your choice. Whatever you're growing in there is what you're going to be using it for. You have a simple vinyl tubing, goes from the bottom from the pump in all the way up to the top of the tower into this distribution cap, which has small little holes. I don't know if you can see that there. I'll do a little zoom in on the last little bit after. And then that distributes your water with fertilizer from the top of the garden all the way down, trickling, watering your plants at a continual time. If you're wanting one of these gardens, something like this, with 2 pods, or 2 tower pieces, sorry, with 6 pods, including the pump, the base, everything you see here, minus one of these tower pieces, would be $100. If you want to have a little more, each one of these tower pieces, including 3 pods, would only just be another 20 bucks. And you can go as high as you like, basically. The sky's the limit with these. One excellent option with these versus an Aero Garden style setup is that you can now add as many as you like. Aero Gardens are usually fixed systems where you can have 12, maybe 6 pods at a time. But these you can fill up with whatever you like, have them as tall as you like. The plants are now able to grow as tall as you like as well. Whereas, you know, a tower garden, you're capped at whatever your height of your lights are. So these guys are great for like a nice little window area as well. And they work fantastically for lettuce, green onions. I've got herbs in mine, and they are a wonderful addition to your living room or kitchen. So as an example of what can be done, this is my current one running. I have lettuce, I've got basil, I've got dill, I've got pepper plants that I use seeds from your regular store-bought peppers, tomato plants. I've got more lettuce there, different kinds of varieties. I've got mint, and all of these things can be grown all in one little tower. The lights are sold separately. A lot of people have their own lights or can use their window. Mine have absolutely loved being by the window to get the natural sunlight. Also, another option for your gardening idea, I did mention that you can use Aero Garden pods, which is what I've done here. But you can also use rock wool, you can use clay pebbles, you can plant plants you already have established and use whatever you like to make it work.